Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by green fields and tall trees, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam was 10 years old and very curious. He always asked questions about the world. He loved animals and dreamed of having a pet. One sunny morning, Sam and his mother went to the market. The path to the market was long but beautiful. Birds sang in the trees, and a cool breeze blew through the fields. As they walked, Sam noticed a small, brown dog sitting under a big tree. The dog had white spots on its fur, and its ears were drooping. It looked sad and tired. Sam stopped and pointed to the dog. "Mom, look. That dog is all alone. Why is it sitting there? Does it have an owner?" His mom looked at the dog and said, "Maybe it is lost, Sam. Let's go to the market first, and if the dog is still here when we come back, we can help it." Sam nodded, but he couldn't stop thinking about the dog. The market was busy with people buying and selling things. There were colorful stalls with fresh fruits, vegetables, clothes, and toys. Sam helped his mom carry a basket and pick out some apples. But in his mind, he was still thinking about the little dog. What if it's hungry? What if it's cold, he thought. Sam saw a small shop that sold biscuits. He asked his mom, "Can I use my pocket money to buy some biscuits for the dog?" His mom smiled and said, "Of course, Sam. That's a kind idea." Sam bought a packet of biscuits and kept it in his pocket. He was excited to give the dog some food. After finishing their shopping, Sam and his mom walked back home. As they reached the tree, Sam's eyes lit up. The dog was still there, sitting quietly. "Mom, it's still here," Sam said, running toward the dog. The dog looked at Sam and wagged its tail. Sam opened the packet of biscuits and gently placed a few on the ground. The dog sniffed the biscuits and ate them quickly. "It must have been very hungry," Sam said. His mom said, "Sam, we can't keep the dog unless we are sure it doesn't have an owner. Let's take it home for now, but we must try to find its family." Sam agreed. He gently patted the dog and said, "Come with us, little dog." The dog followed them home. The next day, Sam and his mom made posters. They wrote, "Lost dog found, small, brown dog with white spots. Call Sam at 123-456-789. Sam drew a picture of the dog on the poster. They put the posters on trees, walls, and near the market. Sam also went around the village asking people, "Have you lost a dog?" Everyone shook their heads and said no. Day after day, Sam waited for someone to call, but no one did. After a week, Sam's mom said, "Sam, I think no one is coming to claim the dog. Would you like to keep it?" Sam's eyes sparkled with joy. "Yes, Mom. I will take care of it. I will feed it, give it water, and take it for walks every day." Sam named the dog Buddy. Every morning, Buddy followed Sam to the garden, where they played together. In the evenings, they went for long walks. Buddy was not just a pet, he became Sam's best friend. One evening, while Sam and Buddy were playing in the garden, a stranger came to their house. It was an old man with a kind face. He had a walking stick and a small bag. The old man looked at Buddy and said, "That dog looks like my Max. He ran away 2 weeks ago." Sam was surprised. He didn't want to lose Buddy. He asked, "Do you have a photo of your dog?" The old man reached into his bag and pulled out a photo. It showed a dog that looked exactly like Buddy. Sam's heart sank. "Mom, Buddy is his dog. His real name is Max," Sam said sadly. The old man smiled. "Thank you for taking care of Max. You have a kind heart, young boy." Sam patted Buddy and said, "I will miss you, Buddy. But I am happy you are going back to your real family." The old man took Max home, but before he left, he said, "You can visit Max anytime you want." Sam missed Buddy. The house felt quiet without him. But a week later, the old man returned with a surprise. In his arms, he held a small, fluffy puppy. "This puppy is for you, Sam," he said. "You took such good care of Max, and I want to thank you." Sam's face lit up with joy. He held the puppy and said, "Thank you. I will name him Spot." From that day, Sam and Spot became inseparable. Sam learned that kindness always brings happiness, even if it means saying goodbye sometimes. And so, Sam, Spot, and the old man became good friends, and the little village was filled with joy.